traders, just wanted to share with you a quick strategy that I'm looking at this week. This is going to be actually the subject of my Investors Business Daily article for today. So it's on MasterCard stock. And if we just go and look at the chart first, you can see here it's had a pretty big decline here, maybe starting to stabilize a little bit around that 280 level and quite oversold on RSI. Now, it's a little bit of a concern that it's getting below all those moving averages and below the 200, but I'm thinking maybe it's not going to decline too much further, and I think there's going to be a decent floor at about 270, and I don't expect it to get below 270. Just a reminder, it's not financial advice, and do your own due diligence, of course. But if we go back to the trade, basically what we're doing is we're selling a November 20 270 put, and we're buying a December 18th 260 put. Okay, so this is a diagonal put spread, one of my favorite strategies. So you can see the profit line here at expiration in blue and the T+0 line in purple. So you can see the initial risk in the trade is on the downside. So we really don't want a massive decline early on in the trade, but we've got a really simple stop loss level. You can see here that losses don't really start to kick in too badly until below about 270, and that's the level of our short strike. So if the stock drops below 270, we just close the trade, simple as that. Otherwise, we just keep holding. We've got very little risk on the upside. You can see here we're buying this one for about 650, selling this one for about 550. So that's the difference between the two, is the most we can lose on the upside is $100 basically. And the max risk on the downside is the difference between the strike prices. So 10 times 100 is 1,000 plus the cost of the trade, 1,100. Okay, so ideally here, looking for about a 10 to 15% return over the next couple of weeks. And we just really want MasterCard to stay in between about 275 and probably about 305. If we fast forward, say, a week, we'll see what the trade looks like. There's our T+7 line. So really anywhere between 275 and about 305, 310, we're looking pretty good. And if we just go a little bit further towards the end of that week, you can see looking really good in here at about 280. Okay, so they're close to a 20% return in around that level. So it's kind of what we're looking for, and nice steady gains on the upside with a break even at about 320 in about 2 weeks from now. It's an interesting trade because it actually starts with positive delta. And as the trade progresses, if we're up here around 290 or 300, towards the end, it'll actually switch to negative delta because we want it to come down into the profit zone that we've created. So initially neutral to slightly bullish. We've got positive vega, positive theta. And as I said, ideally just looking for the stock to stay in between about 275 and 305 over the next 7 to 14 days. So there you go. That's a diagonal put spread on MasterCard. Hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.